got?
Okay, so we are here with Janice, hang on, and her 2003 Saturn LS200, I believe. Okay.
200.
All right. So this one was fairly consistent. Main thing was just trying to get rid of the yellowing, and the thing I always worry about with yellowing is whether it's baked its way all the way through, in which you really can't bring it back to where it totally is. I think I got rid of most of it, and I think you're going to really like it. And it's your baby, and I think it's a definite improvement. So since I'm standing here and you're standing there, I'll go ahead and let you do that. Janice, are you ready to see your headlight fixer-upper?
I am.
Let's do this.
Oh, wow! Oh, my goodness! For
Bam!
real? Oh, man! This is so awesome!
It is
You
awesome.
did fantastic!
It is awesome.
Oh,
Clap, clap,
I'm
clap.
so happy with this. This is so good!
Isn't that badass? See, actually what I did is I left for about an hour and I replaced them with new ones. Just kidding.
I don't.
Or can you,
This is so awesome.
or can you tell? Yeah, so, you know, I
Wow.
got rid of most of it. I mean, it looks pretty good. There's some, you can see there's some, there is some, you know, rock chips and stuff like that. And then over on this side, we got a couple of weird drips and stuff. But
Yeah.
I mean,
This is like so.
but I mean, like,
I
but I mean, this is all, these are like what? We're talking 18 years here.
Yeah, it's a 2003.
Yeah, and these are, I can guarantee you these are the originals.
Wow.
Headlights,
man.
that is.
Yeah. This is so good. I'm so happy.
Yay! Okay, well, I'm glad. This is your new baby as of a few months, and at least we've improved that part, so all you have to do is get the new bulb in there so you're not having to do your brights on anymore. But
Yep.
I wanted to make them look better and certainly safer for you at night. That's the big thing, because you
Yep.
shouldn't have to be doing your brights all the time.
Yep. Yep.
And
Oh,
hopefully
this
that'll
is
help. So
Good. Oh, I'm happy with this.
sweet. Well, I'm going to sign out, and that's what we got. So we good.
Thanks.
All right, you bet. Thank you.